In a quiet village, cradled by rolling hills and fragrant jasmine, lived a young woman named Anaya. From childhood, Anaya was fascinated by the old temple at the heart of the village. The temple, though weathered by time, was a place where people came to find peace, hope, and sometimes answer to the questions their hearts could not voice. Anaya often sat near the temple's ancient stone steps, watching the flicker of oil lamps and listening to the chants drifting through the air. She longed to feel that peace inside her own heart, but her days were heavy with worries. Her family was poor, and her father's illness weighed on her spirit like a storm cloud. One evening, after a long day of work in the fields, Anaya found herself by the temple again. She closed her eyes and prayed silently, "Please give me strength. Show me where to find the temple within." A soft voice broke the stillness. It was the village priest, an old man with kind eyes. "The temple you seek, child, is not built in stone or wood. It is built inside you." Anaya opened her eyes, surprised. "The peace you see here," he continued, "comes from a temple within every person's soul. When your mind is calm, when your heart is open, the temple shines brighter than any lamp." "But how can I find it?" Anaya asked. "By stilling the noise around you and within you, by letting go of fear and anger, by being present in every moment." Those words stayed with her. The next day, instead of rushing through her chores, Anaya paused often. She breathed deeply, noticed the warmth of the sun, the rustle of leaves, and even the tired smiles of her family. Slowly, the storm inside her began to settle. Days turned to weeks. When the father's illness worsened, Anaya cared for him with patience, not despair. When the village faced a harsh drought, she helped organize water sharing without complaint or fear. The villagers noticed a change. Anaya's calm seemed to ripple outward, touching everyone she met. Children came to sit by her side, asking for stories. Adults sought her advice. Even the priest nodded in quiet approval. One morning, Anaya returned to the temple. The priest smiled and said, "Now you see, the temple within you is stronger than any temple made of stone." Anaya smiled back, feeling a deep peace she had never known before. She understood then that true strength did not come from changing the world outside, but from building a sanctuary inside herself. And with that sanctuary, she could face anything.